everyone, this is Tanya darling. Hope you guys are doing great. In this channel, I would be teaching CBSE Class 10 Maths NCERT Syllabus and my sister Tina Lopez would be teaching CBSE Class 8 Maths NCERT Syllabus. Alright, now let's get into the video. Okay guys, now let's read the question. So the question is, find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So this is the question. Today we are going to be doing the fourth subdivision. Already we had solved the three subdivisions, which was really easy, and we got somewhat different kinds of questions. And we just solved it, which was really easy because we know the formulas and we know how to find the number of zeros, and we know how to find the relationship between the zeros as well as the coefficient. Okay, so here in this video also we are going to be finding the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients by using the same formulas. Okay, now let's do. So this is the fourth subdivision. In this fourth subdivision, the question is 4u square plus 8u. So this is the fourth subdivision. Here you guys can see we have 4u square, so that is a number, that is a term, and then we have plus 8u. Okay, but we are missing something, that is we don't have a constant value. So you guys may think if we don't have a constant value, then it is really difficult to do the sum, but actually you know what, it is really easy to solve it. Okay, so now let's solve it. First of all, let me write let p, and then we shall write u. Okay, why? Because here in the question it is u, use the variable, is equal to, we shall write the question, that is 4u square plus 8u. So take pu is equal to 0. So now let us write the question as it is, that is 4u square plus 8u. So 8u, now let's write is equal to 0. So we wrote is equal to 0. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to be taking the common value. Okay, so here as you guys can see, we got 4u square plus 8u is equal to 0. Okay, so as you guys know, we don't have a constant value, so we can just do it directly. Okay, so here when we take, here we have 4 and we have u square. So if we write 4 into 2, so if we write 4 into 2, we have 4 right over there. So we are going to be doing it for 8. Okay, so when you write 4 into 2, we have 4 right over here, and then we have a u. That means the 4u is a common. Okay, so I am writing 4u outside. Why? Because when we do it like this only, we get 8. So now let me do that first. So first we should get the 4u square. So 4u into 4u into u is 4u square. We got it, and then we shall write the plus as it is. Now here we have 8. So as you guys know, 4 2s are, it is 8. So let us write 2 right over here. Don't need to write u because we have u outside. Now let's close the bracket. So here you guys can see we have 4u bracket u plus 2. How? Because 4u into u is 4u square, and then plus I wrote it as it is, and then we have 8u right over here. So 4u into 2 is 8u. Okay, 4 2s are 8, and we took the u as it is. Okay, so now let us write is equal to 0. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to write 4u as a term. So I am writing 4u is equal to 0. We are going to be putting zeros for each term. So here 4u is equal to 0, and we are taking this separate, that is u plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so as you guys know, we got 4u is equal to 0 and u plus 2 is 0. Am I right? So now what we are going to do is, we are going to be writing u is equal to, so here u is equal to 0 divided by 4. Why? Because here it is in the multiplication form. When it comes this side, when it crosses this is equal to bridge, then it is division. Okay, so here it is 0 divided by 4. So 0 divided by 4 is 0. Okay, so we got u is equal to 0, and here you guys can see we have plus 2. When this plus 2 comes this side, that is the right side, then it changes into minus 2. So u is equal to minus 2. So the u value is minus 2. Okay, here this is alpha and this is beta. So the alpha value is 0 and the beta value is minus 2. Okay, so now let's verify it. Now let's write to verify. So verify. So what is the first formula? The first formula is sum of zeros is equal to, so the formula is alpha plus beta. Okay, so is equal to, what is the alpha value? So the alpha value is 0, so I shall write 0 and plus as it is. And what is the beta value? So the beta value is minus 2. Let us write it in the bracket, that is minus 2 is equal to 0. We shall write it as it is, and plus into minus is minus, and we shall write 2 as it is. So now it is 0 minus 2. So 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Okay, this is the answer. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to be writing the second formula. So the second formula is product of zeros. I hope you guys remember the formulas. So product of zeros is equal to alpha into beta. Okay, so what is the alpha value? So the alpha value is 0 and the beta value is minus 2. Now let's write that. So alpha is 0 into beta value is minus 2. So is equal to 0 into minus 2 is 0. So we got 0 right over here. Now let's write the next formula, that is minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Okay, let's write minus coefficient x divided by coefficient of x square. So how are we supposed to find it? So we are going to be finding it from the question. Do you guys remember the question? So the question is 4u square plus 8u. So this is the question. Okay, so this is the question. We are going to be finding the values for x and x square. So first we are supposed to find the value of minus coefficient of x. So here, as you guys know, the variable is u, so you can take minus coefficient of u. Okay, you can just put it in your mind that it is u. So we are going to be finding the minus coefficient of u. So here u is, so we have u right over here, so the coefficient is 8. Am I right? So now let's write 8. So is equal to, so here it is minus coefficient of x, so minus it's there, so we shall put the minus at first, and then here it is plus 8. So let's write it in the bracket. So it is plus 8. So plus into minus is minus, so minus 8 divided by coefficient of x square. So here instead of x square we are going to be taking u square. Okay, so the u square coefficient is 4. So as you guys can see, it is 4. So I am writing 4. Okay, so let me write the form, that is minus 8 by 4. So I wrote this one right over here. Now let's cancel it. So you can do it in the second table. So when we cancel 4, it is 2. Why? Because 2 2s are 4. And here when we cancel minus 8, then it is 4. Why? Because 4 2s are, it is 8. So as you guys can see, we have minus, we shall put minus right over here. So we shall cancel this also. Okay, so we shall cancel it in the 2 table, that is 2 1s are 2. So here it is 2 2s are 4. Okay, so here we have minus, so we shall put minus. So the answer is minus 2. Okay. So now we got minus 2. Now what we are going to do is we are going to be writing the next formula, that is constant term by coefficient of x square. Okay. So do you guys remember the question? That is for u square plus 8u. We are going to be finding the constant term and the coefficient of x square. So here we don't have constant term, so we shall take it as 0. Okay. So as you guys know, constant term means which the number is not having a variable. Okay. So the number which is without variable, that is constant term. So here we don't have any constant term, so we shall take 0 divided by, so coefficient of x square. So as you guys know, here the variable is u, so we shall take u. Okay. So coefficient of u square. So here the u square coefficient is 4, so we shall write 4. Okay. So when we divide 0 minus 0 divided by 4, then it is 0. Okay. So we got 0. Now we shall write thus verified. So finally we solved it. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video and help your friends by sharing this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.